Automotive. Welcome to New Car Info. Today, we're diving deep into the 2024 Toyota Crown, a vehicle that's turning heads and setting new standards in the automotive world. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2024 Crown features a bold and modern silhouette that stands out on the road. Its streamlined shape is accentuated by a distinctive front grille that integrates seamlessly with sleek LED headlights, giving it a confident and aggressive stance. The overall aesthetic is a perfect blend of luxury and sportiness, appealing to those who want more than just a conventional sedan. The long hood and short rear deck not only enhance its dynamic appearance, but also contribute to improved aerodynamics. The car sits on larger alloy wheels that add to its premium look, available in size up to 21 inches, which elevate its presence on the road. Moving to the rear, the Crown showcases stylish LED tail lights that wrap around the corners, enhancing visibility while adding a touch of elegance. The dual exhaust outlets add a sporty flair, hinting at the performance capabilities hidden under the hood. The vehicle's overall length and width provide a commanding road presence, making it an impressive option for those who value style as much as substance. Now, let's take a look at the interior, where Toyota has crafted an inviting and high-tech environment. Upon entering the Crown, you're greeted by a spacious cabin adorned with premium materials, including soft touch surfaces and available leather upholstery. The front seats are designed for comfort, with plenty of adjustability to accommodate drivers of all sizes. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the large touchscreen infotainment system. Measuring up to 14 inches, that features Toyota's latest multimedia interface. The system is user-friendly with responsive touch controls and available voice recognition. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility ensure seamless smartphone integration, allowing for easy access to navigation, music, and communication apps. One of the standout features of the Crown is its advanced technology package, which includes a digital driver's display that provides all necessary driving information at a glance. The optional head-up display projects key data onto the windshield, allowing drivers to keep their eyes on the road while accessing important information. Additionally, the Crown offers a premium audio system that provides an immersive listening experience, making every drive enjoyable. Space is abundant in the Crown, with ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The rear seats are comfortable and can easily accommodate 3 adults, making it an excellent choice for families or those who frequently travel with friends. The trunk space is also generous, providing enough room for luggage or groceries, ensuring practicality alongside luxury. The 2024 Toyota Crown offers a choice of powertrains to cater to various driving preferences. The base model is powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers a robust 265 horsepower and 309 lb-ft torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and for those seeking more power, there's a hybrid option that combines a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor, producing a combined output of 236 horsepower. This hybrid setup not only enhances performance, but also improves fuel efficiency, making it an eco-friendly choice without sacrificing power. The Crown comes standard with all-wheel drive, providing excellent traction and stability in various driving conditions. The suspension is tuned for comfort while maintaining a sporty edge, allowing the car to handle corners with confidence. Additionally, the driving modes can be adjusted to suit the driver's preference. The Ascent Suite, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies work together to create a safer driving experience, giving you peace of mind on every journey. Now, let's discuss the pricing. The 2024 Toyota Crown starts at around $39,000 for the base model, making it competitively priced within the luxury sedan segment. The fully loaded platinum trim can reach up to $50,000, which includes all the advanced technology and luxury features that enhance the overall driving experience. In conclusion, the 2024 Toyota Crown is a remarkable vehicle that combines striking design, advanced technology, and impressive performance. With its spacious interior and a range of powertrains, it offers something for everyone. Whether you're looking for a comfortable daily driver or a luxurious ride for special occasions, the Crown stands out as a compelling choice in the ever-evolving automotive market. Thanks for watching New Car Info.